O'Sullivan keeps it alive, just barely. Wyckoff. The set, the spike, blocked there by Caroline Layton. Still alive, though. And that block no good for Gibbons and Layton, so it's 7-2. So a nice start here for CCSU. So Hong will serve. Lamori, monster hit. Dean just gets it over the net. Butler, Layton. Perfect positioning, nice point, 12-4. O'Sullivan, monster spike for the Knights, and it's 16-7. What a hit from the freshman from Bogota. Lamori, massive hit, and the block out of bounds. Gibbons and Layton were there but couldn't keep it in play, and it is 23-12. Dug out by Grace Hong. O'Sullivan, Lolland, Leddington now. Knights keep it alive. Here's Butler for Layton. And CCSU able to keep it going. Nearly made a mistake. Butler now. Cross court, and Lolland, the freshman. Nice hit, 24-14. Depong keeps it alive. Butler. O'Sullivan from Butler, dug out by Schwab. Lamori, big hit. Hong is there. Butler, Layton. Out of bounds, and that's the point and the first set to CCSU. Fish, Leddington. Lamori, who has such a monster spike and shows it off there, 1-1. Selerick, dug out by Deb Hong. Butler with the point, 10-7. Lamori, big hit, easy point, 15-13. Butler for Layton. Layton again. Lamori. Dean getting it over the net. Now Wyckoff. Point to the Knights, 18-16. Dug out by Lostetter. Butler for O'Sullivan. And into empty space, 23-20. Knights 2 away from winning the second set. O'Sullivan will serve. Leddington. Lamori, huge hit. Tied at 24. Lamori. Set point for CCSU. Wyckoff. Lamori's there. Leddington. And that one falls to the ground. CCSU comes through and gets it done. They win the second set 27-25. So Lamori, big hit. Knights can't control, 10-4. Good positioning for O'Sullivan, 14-8. O'Sullivan dug out by Schwab. Here's Leddington near side. Dean. Big hit and another point. CCSU keeps racking him up. It's 19-11. Butler for Addy. Blocked at the net. Knights keep it alive. Here's O'Sullivan. And FGU gets the point. 23-18. 5 match points, though, still. Here for CCSU off the serve from O'Sullivan. Here's Lamori trying to finish it off and does so.